excited. I just got my Feminist Book Club in a box yesterday in the mail, and I'm going to do an unveil. So the book, as I open it, is this cute little wrapped up in purple tissue. I've never had a box before, so I'm excited to see what it contains. So the first thing I see as I open it up is the August 2020 brochure that talks about the founder. The charity this month is the Loveland Foundation. Inside is Gigi's Flair, the Pin Queen, Kafe, premium coffee candy, and Lotus and Luna, handcrafted accessories. They also have video chats about the books that are enclosed. So this month's book is Hood Feminism, Notes from the Women That a Movement Forgot by Mickey Kendall. I'm looking forward to reading this. It sounds interesting, and some of what my book covers let me in is about the movement when it first happened back in the 70s and 80s, and some of the first women who took advantage of what the movement opened up. So the book is Hood Feminism, and I'm looking at, there's a cute little, from the Lotus and Luna, a hair scrunchie. I use these all the time, so I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of it. There's a pin, Gigi's Flair Emporium. It says, Lord, give me the confidence of a mediocre white man. That's so true. So this, oh, it's a face mask from Lotus and Luna. I'll open it. This is pretty cool. It's got a great batik-y looking pattern. Obviously, I'll get a lot of use out of this too. And there's premium coffee candy from Kafe. Caramel cream hard candy. I'm sure I'll be using this also. So there's a handwritten note from Renee. Renee is the founder of Feminist Book Club. She curated the book club discussion the other night, so that was really fun. And there's a sticker from Lotus and Luna. She said this purchase supported at least 9 women-owned businesses. So that's pretty cool. So the book is Hood Feminism. This is the Feminist Book Club. I'll show you the box. Feminist Book Club. And I'm Elaine. This was my first unveiling of the Feminist Book Club. I hope you enjoyed it. You can find it online, the Feminist Book Club, and I'll have it at the bottom